Flacco's about to end careers. Import face-off. Make sure to come through. We're gonna have a fucking booth. We're gonna try to have a booth, but
might even sell t-shirts.
Might even have to sell merchandise and shit. So make sure to stop by. You know what I'm saying? Stop by, say what's up, and I'll be recording, putting in the block for you guys. Hell yeah. That's how we do it. Welcome back, YouTubers. We're back at it again. I got the specialist right here, mechanic.
I'm gonna cut this bitch up.
I'm gonna cut this shit up. And let me set this shit up real quick somewhere. Oh shit, there's a fucking spider on that thing.
What?
There's a spider in there.
Where?
Alright guys, I'm gonna
give you a little.
We made this fucking plate out of cardboard to cover cover the washer gallon thing that sticks out of my engine bay, but I'm gonna keep the AC hole on it, the reservoir and shit. And then we're gonna do another plate for the other side. So guess what, guys? I'm shaving the fucking bay. So it's gonna be a fucking mission. And fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I love that shit. That's how we do it, life. And then Flacco says he's a precise cutter on this motherfucker.
One-handed.
That's what we're hoping for.
Alright guys. So a lot of people don't really know how to use this motherfucker. This fucker will be really dangerous. But
I'm trusting him. This sheet right here cost me $25, so it's one time only.
One time only.
One shot.
I'm gonna cut it really straight, one-handed. Just cause I'm gonna cut it really straight, one-handed. It's cause I've been cutting for a long time. You could really fuck your hand up if it happens.
He's gonna go one-hander on this bitch.
One-hander. Don't work.
Oh, it's connected?
You got it.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
They say, "Lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta check me your bag. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Nigga said I'm going broke while I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign with 5-0 on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the pain, smoking dang. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free latte, no he keep a K, but he not take K up the chop and let it blow. Watch this bitch eat his face, I'm that nigga. And all my young niggas pulling triggers, we gorillas. We let this bitch off until you feel us. For you niggas, that's always on IG with them yiggies, taking pictures. Is you really gon' use them or you just loafing for them bitches? You niggas really hoes and you be acting like these bitches. You niggas say I solid, but y'all probably in there snitching. Most of the niggas that's around me throwing seeds like they crippin', but they do it for the twins. Free Lil Corey and Lil Christian. But I'm rocking with my shooters and that's mandatory. One up top like I'm Mozzie, bitch, I keep it 40. You say I'm lacking, nigga, try me, shoot you in your shorty. I'm cooking up.
There you guys have it. First fucking plate is cut off.
Pretty good.
And it looks pretty fantastic. You just gotta shave down the edges. And it should be golden to start welding that bitch in there.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully that shit folds. Tested it. The fitment test. This has to be flush more over here.
Is that how you wanted it, that short?
Yeah. So then you can weld it on top, and it's better welded on top than the edge, because it'd be harder to smooth out. Put it in here first and decide like that. and then you gotta bend it that way. It's still hot.
It looks like it's gonna fit. Should I bend it now?
Try it.
Basically how it's gonna go like that.
Yeah. Hold this shit.
What?
Bend it down.
Do it like right here, huh?
I guess we give me that little circle prick. Like that. And let's take it up.
Alright.
And then this one a little bit.
Yes. Not for you? Well, when you weld it, you start bending it while you're welding it.
You know, stick it.
Yeah. So you go boom, tack it, and then squeeze it, tack it, tack it.
Hey, this side should be the same size as this one, though. Guys, this is the second fucking plate. Since the other one came out marvelous, this one's gonna come out basically the same. And once I get these down and get these welded on, there is no turning back. I have to relocate the fuse box no matter what, or else this is gonna be worthless. This guy wasn't lying at all. Precise cutting at its finest. If you guys want to get any work done by him, make sure to follow him on Instagram at Flaco509. Shoot him a message, he'll switch you the quote. Get this shit done.
Tell me this shit. I used to cut a lot, bro.
Yeah. Nice, it's like a machine did it right there. This is what we call fucking, what's that shit called? Jet. Alright guys, we're back. And we got these motherfuckers freshly manufactured. It looks like we just ordered these pieces off online, but the handyman got this shit down. And it's like a perfect damn fit on this. We got both sides done. And there it is. Bam.
Gonna get a better bend.
That's gonna look beautiful right there. And we still gotta make a hole on that bitch to fit my AC. I wish I could delete it, but I live in Washington, man. It gets fucking hot out here, and I need my goddamn AC on. I don't want to have a sweaty back and a sweaty ass. So yeah, we got the other one too done. We just gotta cut these bitches. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this bitch off. This, you see this bulge right here? That's to come off.
Daddy, how do you cut that off?
Boom, boom, and this fucking bolt. Can the grind wheel call that? Or need a cutting wheel
You need to put all your weight on that.
What?
to cut these off?
You cannot put those things
You're gonna cut it.
What do you mean why?
on. That is my question.
So how am I gonna put the plate here?
And how you can cut it.
It's gonna be noticeable.
Yeah, look, there's a bump here. It's not gonna sit flat. We're about to do something that a lot of people will never do to their car. Just to have it precise and unique, we gotta take steps. You know what I'm saying? These steps takes guts. And you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about right now.
Right on the plane.
So this procedure right here is very dangerous here. Looks good. Damn.
Back to the lowrider times.
Back to the lowrider times, grinding, welding, grind.
Let me go backwards.
Gone. I'm about to fucking cry right now. Holy shit. You got my earphones?
No, they're good.
Damn. Those are my favorite ones. There it is, guys. It's gone. Look at that. This piece will be for sale on my eBay account too. if any of you need it, I should just keep it just in case I want to go back to stock. ¿No está caliente?
Eh?
Everything floco.
Are you sure it wasn't flush?
What do you mean?
It was necessary to cut it?
Yeah. See, now it's gonna sit flush. There.
Kind of fucked up the angle. The curve.
¿Y qué buscaba bien
I
aquí?
curved it right here instead of here. Like the other.
¿Por qué? Aquí que quedó bien.
Oh, because of that stupid bump right there. They made that deep. Just fold it back.
Now it's gonna be all warm. Where's the bend at, like right there?
There you guys have it. This is part 1 of shaving the bay. Catch you guys in the next clip.